what's up everybody, it's your boy JRE and G-Dragon. The G-Dragon. The man, the myth, the legend. D to the D. Golden Diamond's boy. Has released a cover or his remix to Can't Help Falling in Love by Elvis. Or Elvis, for the Elvis movie, I'm guessing that just came out recently. I know Doja Cat has her own like the song Vegas is for the film as well. But I guess it's his twist on it. I'm curious to what and how it's gonna sound like. Let's get into this, let's go, let's begin. Play my intro. G-Dragon, it's 2 minutes and 30 seconds. No captions needed because it is all in English. 3, 2, 1, let's go. This is what I heard from the teaser on IG. It's been a while since he heard his voice by himself. Falling in love with you. Oh, is that his eyes cut out? Oh, oh, it's a mask. Okay. Yeah, obviously. Okay. Oh, and he got the Elvis buckle. Love with you. Classic song, by the way. Oh shit! he turned it up. Hey. Okay. Hey. In love. Hey. What we doing, GD? Ooh. Oh, this just makes me want more of what's to come. Too big. Ooh. Hey. I guess they're just using clips of Elvis, obviously. I mean, if you guys know that, Elvis was like an ultimate showman. And so is G-Dragon, of course. Ooh. Look at that, even the artistry, like, I know it's like, almost like, oh. But G-Dragon's just like an artiste, like literally. Like he actually would paint, like cut up, create his own thing. So basically this is his take on it too. Falling in love with you. You and I can't help falling in love. I miss GD, yo. Okay. Oh, GD. To be very honest, I mean, I miss G-Dragon like you do, whoever's watching. I mean, I'm guessing to those who are watching right now are G-Dragon fans. And it just makes me feel like, oh, what is there to come for G-Dragon next? Like, obviously original music too. Will he, he's really unpredictable. Cause he can take on so many genres. He had his little twist on it. And I mean, he has done like the rock kind of feel with Crooked as well. Like the punk rock feel. You can't predict G-Dragon most times. And that's why I'm really anticipating his new solo stuff that's coming out hopefully soon because I need it. Anyways, put a comment down below what you guys think. Guys, thanks for always being there. I mean, I've been doing this for like 10 years and you guys still stop me at concerts here and there. I'm like, bruh, you still remember me? This is your boy JRE. Hope you have a good one. Keep on dreaming, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it, it might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey! You better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school. A minute like swimwear.